Assalamu alaikum students. We are discussing about vitamin A. Last day we have studied about it. What is a vitamin A? Next we can study about the role that is performed by vitamin A in our body. Now we are discussing about some of the important sources from which we can get vitamin A. The most important source is leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetable is the most important source from which we can get vitamin A. Moreover, we can also get vitamin from yellow, orange fruits, liver, fish, egg, milk, etc. These are the few sources which can easily supply vitamin A to our body. Next, we are discussing about the effects of deficiency of vitamin A. The most prominent effect that is produced in our body due to the deficiency of vitamin A is night blindness. Last day we have studied about in the retina of the eye there is a protein which is known as opsin. Opsin combined with the vitamin A, as a result rhodopsin is produced, and rhodopsin is a protein which help to see in dim light. We can see in a dim light with the help of a rhodopsin. If there is a deficiency of vitamin A, then rhodopsins cannot be produced. Due to the lack of rhodopsins, we cannot see in dim light. This condition is known as night blindness. In early stages, night blindness can be treated, but if it is a long term, then rhodopsin cannot be treated. Second effect which is produced due to the deficiency of vitamin A is rough hair and skin. This is second effect which is produced due to the deficiency of vitamin A. It is also produced due to the deficiency of vitamin A. These are two effects which are produced by vitamin A. Next we are discussing another important vitamin, vitamin C. Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. It is also known as ascorbic acid, and it is a fat soluble. It is a water soluble vitamin. We have already described you that there is a two type of a vitamin. That type of vitamin which is dissolved in water is known as water soluble vitamin. Vitamin C is a water soluble. Its solubility is in water. Now we are discussing about the roles that is performed by vitamin A. The first important role that is performed by vitamin C is formation of collagen fiber. Collagen क्या है? It is a fibrous protein. Vitamin C is essential for the formation of collagen. What is a collagen? Collagen is a fibrous protein. It is essential. Collagen protein is essential for the formation of a connective tissue. Collagen is essential for the formation of a connective tissue. If there is a deficiency of a collagen, then connective tissue is not properly formed. Moreover, it is also collagen fiber is also required for the healing of a wound. This is the major effect which is produced in our body due to vitamin C. Next effect which is produced by vitamin C, it is also required by our white blood cells. White blood cells, in the presence of vitamin C, help in our immunity system. Help immune system to function properly. As we already know that immune system हमारी बॉडी का एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जो कि हमारी बॉडी का डिफेंसिव सिस्टम के तौर पर रोल इम्यून सिस्टम हमारी बॉडी का एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जो कि डिफेंसिव सिस्टम के तौर पर फंक्शन परफॉर्म करता है। तो वाइट इम्यून सिस्टम बनता है किससे? वाइट ब्लड सेल से। वाइट ब्लड सेल जो है वो विटामिन सी की प्रेजेंस में ज़्यादा एफिशिएंटली काम करेंगे। एज रिजल्ट हमारी जो है वो प्रोटेक्शन जो है वो ज़्यादा बेटर होगी इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ विटामिन सी। दीज आर द टू रोल्स विच आर परफॉर्म्ड बाय विटामिन सी। नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट सोर्सेज. What are the important sources of vitamin C? We can get vitamin C from citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as lemons, oranges, these are known as citrus fruits. We can also get vitamin C from leafy green vegetables. This is the second source of vitamin C. We can also get vitamin C from vegetables. Liver, etc. These are few sources from which we can get vitamin C. Now we are discussing about the effects of deficiency of vitamin C. Effects of deficiency of vitamin C. There are two major effects which are produced in our body due to the deficiency of a vitamin C. One is known as scurvy, and another is known as slow wound healing. Now we discuss about scurvy. As we already know about it, vitamin C is required for the formation of collagen protein. Collagen protein is required for the formation of connective tissue. If there is a deficiency of a vitamin C, then collagen protein cannot form due to the collagen protein is not formed. If collagen protein is not formed, then the structure of a connective tissue is also disrupted. This condition can lead to a disease which is known as scurvy. कि अगर कोलेजन फाइबर प्रोटीन नहीं बनेगी तो कनेक्टिव टिश्यू जो है वो हमारे प्रॉपर इनका स्ट्रक्चर स्टेबल नहीं होगा, ये अनस्टेबल हो जाएंगे। एज अ रिजल्ट इनके अनस्टेबल होने की वजह से जो डिजीज़ प्रोड्यूस होगी उसको जो है वो हम स्कर्वी बोलेंगे। अब हम इस स्कर्वी की डिजीज़ की जो है वो सिम्टम्स पढ़ेंगे। व्हाट आर दी सिम्टम्स? What are the symptoms that are associated with scurvy disease? कि scurvy disease के कौन कौन सी symptoms होती हैं? इस disease में जो है वो first जो है वो joint pain. These are the few symptoms which are associated with scurvy disease. Joint pain. Second, swollen and bleeding gums. Slow wound healing. Now the next topic is vitamin D. Vitamin D is a type of a fat soluble. It is fat soluble vitamin. ये फैट्स के अंदर डिजोल्व होता है, इस वजह से हम इसको फैट सोलबल विटामिन जो है वो बोलते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द रोल विच आर परफॉर्म्ड बाय विटामिन डी. फर्स्ट रोल दैट इज परफॉर्म्ड बाय विटामिन ई इज absorption of calcium. Absorption of calcium. Absorption of calcium and phosphorus. विटामिन डी जो है इन दोनों मिनरल्स के एब्जॉर्ब होने में जो है वो अपना रोल परफॉर्म करता है. दिस इज ए मेजर इफेक्ट विच इज प्रोड्यूस्ड ड्यू टू विटामिन डी. And another effect which is produced by vitamin D, it helps in the absorption of these chemicals on bones के ऊपर भी इनकी deposition में जो है वो role perform करता है. Now we are discussing about the sources. Their sources are fish liver oil, milk, ghee, butter, etc. These are the sources from which we can get vitamin D. Now we are discussing about the effects of deficiency of vitamin D. Effects of deficiency of vitamin D. विटामिन डी की डेफिशिएंसी की वजह से दो तरह की डिजीज होती हैं. वन इज नोन एज रिकेट्स. Rickets is a disease in child and another disease is known as osteomalacia. इन दोनों डिजीज़ में जस्ट नेम का डिफरेंस है. ओस्टियोमलेशिया में हम जो ओल्डर पीपल होंगे उनको डिस्कस करेंगे और जो दूसरी डिजीज़ है रिकेट्स, उसमें हम चाइल्ड को डिस्कस करेंगे. दोनों में जो है वो विटामिन डी बोन्स के ऊपर प्रॉपर डिपॉजिट नहीं होगा. बोन्स के ऊपर डिपॉजिट ना होने की वजह से जो बोन्स हैं वो सॉफ्ट हो जाएंगी और जो हाई वेट बेरिंग बोन्स हो जाएंगे वो झुक जाएंगे. एज रिजल्ट वो जो भी इंडिविजुअल होगा उसको चलने फिरने में जो है वो प्रॉब्लम होगी. दीज आर द मेजर डिजीज दैट इज़ caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Now we are discussing about the effects of water and dietary fiber. Effects of water and dietary fiber. डाइटरी फाइबर के और वाटर के हमारी बॉडी के ऊपर क्या इफेक्ट्स होते हैं. although water and dietary fibers are not included in our diet, ये हमारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स में तो दोनों नहीं आते लेकिन फिर भी हमारी बॉडी की फंक्शनिंग के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा असेंशियल है. अब कौन कौन से ये रोल परफॉर्म करते हैं हम उनको डिस्कस करेंगे. पहले जो है वो हम वाटर को डिस्कस करते हैं. वाटर जो है ऑलमोस्ट एक इंडिविजुअल का जो 60% है ऑफ एन अडल्ट इंडिविजुअल, किसी भी इंडिविजुअल का 60% उसकी बॉडी वेट जो है वो इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ वाटर, वो पानी से बना हुआ होगा. इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ वाटर. Now we are discussing about the roles which are performed by water. The first role which are performed by water is aqueous environment. Water provide aqueous environment. This aqueous environment is essential because all the chemical activity which are performed in our body require aqueous environment which is performed by water. Second fact which is performed by water is absorption of nutrients. And elimination of waste. It perform a role in the absorption of nutrients and elimination of waste. Third effect which is produced by vitamin A is maintenance of our body temperature. Maintenance of body temperature. In summer condition, in case of plants, it can control their body temperature with the help of evaporation. In case of human, it can control body temperature with the help of our sweating. These are the two major phenomena which are occurring in our body in order to control our body temperature. Next effect which is produced by water is it is also required for it is also responsible for cardiovascular disorder. If there is a deficiency of water, then we can suffer from cardiovascular disorder. Now we are discussing about the requirement. एक नॉर्मल इंडिविजुअल को एक दिन के अंदर जो है वो कितने लीटर पानी पीना चाहिए. एक नॉर्मल इंडिविजुअल को एक दिन के अंदर जो है वो अराउंड अबाउट 2 लीटर्स पर डे जो है वो एक नॉर्मल इंडिविजुअल की जो है वो रिक्वायरमेंट है. नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट सम इम्पोर्टेंट सोर्सेज. we can get vitamin A. We can get water from natural water. Moreover, milk, juice, juicy fruits, and vegetables. These are the natural sources of water.